Evil is the lie that does not make the truth less true. It's a wisp. It's barely anything. It's just the illusion. And so the destruction of evil does not mean total destruction. We'll get there eventually, but it's much more triumphant than judgmental. And that happens way later in Revelation. For now, we are experiencing the trumpet. What does the trumpet do? What's the purpose of the trumpet in biblical times? What's the purpose of a trumpet? It announces things. It announces the advance of the army. We are marching. We are going into battle. We are going into battle not against people, but against the powers and the principalities. We are going to battle against evil itself, the power of evil itself. And so this initial battle cry where the trumpet is being sounded and God is advancing and doing battle against evil, the weaker, lesser portion is destroyed.